Many people are surprised when they hear sudden cardiac arrest impacts children. 2 young people a week die from sudden cardiac arrest in Australia. Usually this is as a result of an undiagnosed heart condition or associated with a trauma. The good news is that most schools are installing AEDs, which brings up the good question of, should I buy an AED with integrated child mode? So what is a child mode on an AED? Child mode adjusts the AED's configuration to make it more suitable to someone 8 years or younger. If you're at all in doubt as to whether a patient is 8 years or younger, the recommendation is for you to proceed with adult mode. Now the AED achieves this through 2 key ways. The first is that it reduces the joules output to be more appropriate to a child's heart, but it also encourages you to place the pads on different parts of the body to ensure more likely a successful shock. There are 2 basic types of child-enabled AEDs. The first requires the user to physically change the pads or insert a key to put the device into child mode. The second, as we're about to see, is as simple as pressing a button.
Adult mode. Remove all clothing from child mode. Remove all clothing from patient's chest. Pull red handle to reveal pads. Look at pictures on pads. Apply pads to bare skin exactly as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly. Apply pads to bare skin exactly as shown in the picture. Press pads firmly. Do not.
So what AED should you buy? Well, we don't recommend that you buy an AED where additional pads are required for child mode. This is for 2 key reasons. The first is that it adds expense and complexity to ongoing maintenance. And the second is that it creates an additional step for a minimally trained user to navigate in the already stressful event of a sudden cardiac arrest. If the AED you're buying is likely to be used on a child, then buy one with integrated child mode like the one you've just seen in the video. If it's unlikely to be used on a child, remember that if a child does have a sudden cardiac arrest, you can use an adult AED on a child.